Alright, so next three questions. A carpenter working at a construction site mistakenly drops downward motion, moving with gravity. So it means U equal 0 meter per second. Don't forget that. It's hammer from a height of 125. So it means the height is 125 meter. How long time? How far distance? Okay? So how long does it take to reach the ground? Okay, so we want to find the time. Which formula should we use? The second, which says H equal UT plus 1 over 2 GT squared. Everything here is 0 because U is equal to 0. So 0 times time times t is 0. So I have 125 equal 1 over 2 times 10 t squared, right? So this is 5, right? So I have 125 equal 5t squared divided by 5 divided by 5. And 5 into 125 is 25 t squared. Take the square root of both sides. T equal 5 seconds. That's how long it will take to reach the ground. 5 seconds. Now, to question 8 and to question 9, I want you to pay attention very well. Calculate the instantaneous velocity. Instantaneous velocity is velocity at a particular time, and we're told that the time is 7 seconds. So it means t equal 7 seconds. We are looking for the velocity. But this is a unique question because the position, which is distance measured in meter, is 5t plus 1 over 2, plus 12t squared. Now I want you to pay attention to this, that velocity is change in over t. Change in distance over t, limit when the t tends to 0. So everything here will give me the s, the t. This is differentiation. Differentiating, when you differentiate position or distance in respect to time, it will give us velocity. When you differentiate velocity in respect to time, it will give us acceleration. Now the question now is, how do I differentiate? Okay, so let me do a little explanation. Y equal, let me see, ax to the power of n. And we're looking for dy dx. This is what you do. Very simple. Take this and bring it down. So you have n times, write everything here again. Ax raised to power n, but you don't stop there, you put minus 1. Let's solve the question. Let's say y equal 2x squared. What do? You take your 2, you bring it down, it will not turn to 22, alright? So it is 2 times, write everything there, 2, let me change this value to 4. So I don't think it's the same, 2 times 4x squared. Should I stop there? No, minus 1. So this is 2 times 4, 8x power. 2 minus 1, 1. So the answer is 8x. Let's do another one. Let's say 1 over 3, y equal 1 over 3, x to the power of 5. What do? You take your 5, you bring it down, you now become 5 times, write everything here, 1 over 3x raised to the power of 5. Should I stop there? No, minus 1. So this will give me 5 over 3x to the power of 4. Do you understand? So that's how you differentiate. That's how you differentiate. So back to the question. So we're looking for velocity. Velocity now will be what? Let me write it here. Velocity will be ds over dt. So that is d. What is our s? 5t plus 1 over 2. So I write 1 over 2. 12t squared over dt. So our advice that you split them. So we're going to find the 5t over dt plus the 12t squared over dt. Alright, so let's do them one after the other. So this is 5t is 1. So this one we come down. It's now 1 times, write everything, 5t to the power of 1. Should I stop? No, minus 1. So we always subtract it with 1. 1 times 5, 5t to the power. 1 minus 1, 0. Any to the power of 0 is what? 1. 1 million to the power of 0 is 1. 4 to the power of 0 is 1. Mebe to the power of 0 is 1. Anything to the power of 0 is 1. So this is 5 times 1 equal 5. So anything to the power of 0 is 1. So 5t. 5t, we got the answer as what? 5. Right? 5 plus, let's do this, 12t squared. What should you do? Take 2 there, so it now becomes 2 times 12 t to the power of 2. I'm writing everything here, 12t to the power of 2. Should I stop? No, minus 1. So this will give me 2 times 12t to the power of 1. 2 times 12 is 24t. So this is plus 24t. Okay. I believe this is interesting. Okay, now look at this. The time is 7 seconds. Everything we've done here is velocity. The time is 7 seconds. So I'm going to write V equal 5 plus 24 times 7. So 24 times 7. 7 and 4 is 28, right? 7 and 2 is 14. 7 and 2 is 14. Yeah, plus that is 1, 6 plus 5. So V equal to, this will give me 173 meter per second. Alright, let's go to the next question, question 9. The velocity of a space shuttle in a time t is given as v is 25 plus 3t squared, and then we're told to find the instantaneous acceleration when the time is 9. What am I writing? Okay, time is 9 seconds. Now, I want you to get something. It is possible they give you the position and tell you to find the instantaneous acceleration. All you just need to do is, from the position, you can get the velocity by differentiating the position in respect to time. Now differentiate the velocity in respect to time to get your acceleration. I'll repeat it again. It's possible you're given the distance or the position. Sorry, not the distance, the position. When you're given the position and you're asked to find the acceleration, you can get to acceleration you have to get to velocity first to get to acceleration. So how do you get velocity? How you get velocity is differentiating the position in respect to time. You now have the velocity. Now differentiate the velocity in respect to time to get the acceleration. So, but in this case, we're already giving the acceleration. We're already giving the velocity. We're asked to find the acceleration. So the acceleration now is dv over dt, which is d, what is our velocity? 25 plus 3t squared over dt. So I'm going to do everything separately the way I did this. So I have d over 25 dt plus d over 3t squared dt. So 25. How do we differentiate a constant? Now the issue now is the value of x is not there. So when you want to differentiate the constant, the answer is 0. But let me show you how we got 0. Now this is 25, right? We are not seeing any value of t there, right? But there is t to the power of 0. Anything to the power of 0 is what? 1. So 25 times 1 is what? 25. So 25 times t to the power of 0 is t 25. We've not changed anything. So how do we differentiate? You take the 0, you bring it down. So it's now 0 times 25 t to the power of 0 minus 1. 0 times anything is what? 0. So the differentiation of a constant, the differentiation of 5 is 0. The differentiation of 1 million is 0. So everything here is 0 plus. How do we differentiate 3t squared? What do? You carry your 2, you bring it down. 2 times, write everything here, 3t squared. Should I stop? No. Minus 1. 2 times 3, 6t. 2 minus 1 is the 1. So this will give me 6t. Now, the time is 9. So we write 6 times 9 equal 54 meter per second squared. So that is our acceleration. Okay, let me just chip in this. For instance, in question 8, you're given the position and you're asked to find the acceleration, the instantaneous acceleration. So let me just say to the amount. Okay, you don't use this value. When we differentiated, we got to this point. V equals 5 plus 24t. We got to this point, right? So what you must do is acceleration is dv over dt, which is d of 5 plus 24t over dt. So it's now giving me d of 5 dt plus d of 24t dt. So when you differentiate a constant, it gives you 0. What is the differentiation of 24t? You can try it. The answer is 24. So it means the acceleration is 24 meter per second squared. Now, if you notice, the value of t has been eliminated. So we don't need to substitute the value of t to be 7 because there is no value for t. If what you're having left is a constant, that is the acceleration. So, catch you at question 10.